Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. Here's how to show and display your FPS on the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app. First, open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your NVIDIA account and that your drivers are up to date. To enable the FPS counter, click on the gear icon in the top right to access the settings menu. Next, go to General tab and scroll down to find the in-game overlay options. Turn this on. Now, click on Settings under the in-game overlay section. Then select HUD layout. Here, you will find the FPS counter option. Choose where you want the FPS to appear on your screen. Top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. After selecting your preferred position, close the settings and your FPS counter will be displayed while playing games. Thank you for watching How to Wave. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.